In the last trading session held on Friday, the benchmark index closed at 34,611 points, just south of the 35,000 mark, putting an end to the bullish spree in the previous trading sessions as it closed down by 1.5% day on day, however ending the week on a bullish note, gaining 0.8% week over week, thus bringing forth its momentum from the previous week. Volumes bounced back by 44% week over week to 226 million shares. News flows regarding potential reliefs in the budget announcement assisted in the week over week gains. Moving forward, sectors which spearheaded the week over week gains included banks, steel, and textiles, which rose by 2.1%, 3.8%, and 4.0% week over week. On the other hand, oil and gas exploration sector marked a 2.9% correction week over week owing to a decline in international oil prices. FX reserves came in at USD 16.7 billion, down by 0.2 billion week over week owing to debt repayments, which put upward pressure on the rupee as it closed at 164.2 versus the dollar, depreciating by 0.6% week over week. Additionally, ADB has approved a loan for Pakistan worth USD 500 million. With regards to the latest COVID-19 situation, the number of confirmed cases in Pakistan are just south of 140,000. The number of cases that have gone up in the previous 24 hours are at 6,800. Deaths in the previous 24 hours are at 81. Recoveries in the previous 24 hours are just south of 1,700. If the number of cases keep going up at a similar pace, we could see the number of confirmed cases hitting the 300,000 mark by June end. A few of our subscribers made a request that we briefly discuss the impact of the recent budget on the steel and the cement sector, so let's jump in. With respect to the steel sector, the removal of withholding tax on steel melters is expected to have a minimal impact on cash flows of steel melters. PSDP at Rs 650 billion, up 15% year on year, is also expected to have a neutral impact as higher PSDP is strongly correlated to the steel demand. Additional custom duties, or ACD, of 2% on steel scrap is expected to have a neutral impact. Switching gears and moving to cements, FED reduced from Rs 2 per kg to Rs 1.75 per kg, approximately 200 basis points incremental impact on sector GMs. PSDP at Rs 650 billion. We expect this to have a neutral impact again, as higher PSDP is strongly correlated to cement demand. Additional custom duties again, ACD of 2% on coal is yet again expected to have a neutral impact on this sector. Have a look at our Federal Budget 2021 video. I've summarized the salient features of the recently announced budget, and we've also assessed the budget impact on the banking, fertilizer, and pharmaceutical sectors. If the information was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe, share, and hit the bell icon. If you have any requests, queries, or questions, be sure to leave them. Be sure to holler in the comment section below, and I will get back to you. Thank you so much for your time. See you in the next one.